Okay, so good morning and good afternoon, good evening, everybody, and welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 9 of our class. I'm going to be start a new topic and an interesting topic, which is going to be take for the next 3 days approximately, not 3 days, complete 5 days. Okay, so when we are discussing the ServiceNow capabilities, we say that we can interact or we can use or we can log in into ServiceNow by the multiple ways. Mobile app, notification, service portal, agent workspace, virtual agent kind of things we say. So now we are going to be kick off, or now we're going to be understand that what do you mean by the word or the concept or the term called the service portal here. Okay, so let's say if I take example that I want to order something from any of the e-commerce website, any of the thing, maybe a refrigerator, maybe electric, maybe grocery, even maybe a food as well. I want to order something. Okay, so in this case, I need some interface so that I can log in or I can access and then I can go for the ordering part. Okay, so in ServiceNow, we are using the word or the term or the functionality that is called the service portal. Service portal is mainly for the IT users, end users. Okay, there's a concept will be changed after some time. When I say it's for the customer, so don't get confused. I'm talking about the customer. I'm saying about the end user who are from the in the IT background or are going to be use the IT products. Okay, so when I get what to do? So when I need to be raise a request for a laptop or maybe mobile phone. Let's say I join a new company and I need to be my manager say, okay, Atul, go and request for a laptop and a mobile phone kind of things. So I'll open some portal, make a request and it go to my manager for the approval. Once my manager approve, then it go to the IT team or the other teams for the fulfillment perspective. So here, please remember one word in the request management area, in the service catalog area, the things or the records get fulfilled, not I can say resolved. Incident get resolved, but a request always get fulfilled. Request means you need something to do your work. That is a request. Incident means you're using something and it's breakdown. If something break down, we need to be fix it. That is become incident. But if I need something, then it's called as a request for me. So now in the next 2 days approximately, we're going to be discuss that what is service portal. So by default, or I can say when I get my ServiceNow instance, I get a PDI as sorry, I get one service portal as well. That is called SP. Let me show you here. So how it can be done? I can put this and at the last slash SP. SP stands for the service portal. We will discuss it from where this SP is coming, how this SP is taking the precedence and opening this particular page for me. But
Atul,
as of now,
I'm sorry, I don't see anything if you're sharing. Is it only me or everyone's facing the problem?
No, you can see, I guess you need to relog in if you have that
Oh,
issue. I had this issue where you logged in again.
okay. I'll just join back again.
no problem, Ashish. That's fine. Okay, so now this is the service portal. So now if I say let me go here, if I can say Amazon. Okay, let me open this. This is what a portal for me. You can say, Atul, it's a website. Yes, it's a website only. This is also a website for me where I can go and I can order something. So here, if you can go, you can see few categories are there. Music, today's deal, new release, books, Audible, Prime, vouchers, kind of things. If you scroll down, these are again a big catalogs or big categories. Batteries, headphones, kind of thing. So if I click on this man fashion here, or let's say I can go here in the Prime videos, let's say. So I can see different categories are here. Okay, but here in the service industry, in our ServiceNow perspective, we have this portal where I can go and I can do a request, I can raise an incident, and I can use the knowledge article. If as an end user I am logging into the instance, then I can do these three things. I can raise an incident, I can raise a request as well if that request catalog is visible to me or available for me, and I can use the knowledge article. And this complete page which you're able to see, it is completely configurable page. So we will see that from where these boxes are coming. OK, so in this, number one is on the menu here. On the top, it's a menu. In the middle, it's a search, but it's not a global search. It's a contextual search. And last, these are the widgets. These boxes also called the widgets. Let's understand this part as of now. We will see that what is widget, how it's becoming. We'll see very soon now. OK, so on the menu, I can have a knowledge where I can click and I can get the knowledge article. Let's say I am new in the company now. OK, and I want to know that how to configure the out of office. So I can go and click here for the knowledge article. Otherwise, I can go and search here as well. Out of office. So it can show me this particular part. Catalog means, in a simple layman language, if I say catalog means when you go to the restaurant and the restaurant person give you a booklet from where you are able to order something, that is a catalog here. And nowadays catalog is available at every place. Either you go on the juice bar, you go on the coffee bar, you go on the restaurant, you go on the shopping or the how I can say some suits or some saris, some utensils, kind of things. You have a catalog. If you go to the electronic items places, they have a catalog. So catalog means it's a big basket for me, which contain multiple categories. And always remember, let's say if Deepak and family is going for a dinner at a restaurant, that person came or the waiter came and said, sir, this is your catalog, please order something. He never said, OK, I want to be order the veg catalog. He says, can you bring a veg Manchurian for me? It means he's ordering an item, even not category. The veg Manchurian can be in the Chinese category, and the catalog is the main course. So now we have to be thinking that what we are going to be prepared now. So we will create one catalog, one category, and then items as well. So here I can see browse by categories. I can go and click here and I can see these many categories are available. Hardware, office, peripherals, software, standard changes. So these are the items. Remember that in a restaurant catalog, I have a main course. In the main course, I have a drinks. So you order one item from that drink category. You did not say, OK, boss, bring drinks this category. He said, tell me which drink you want to be have. And then you provide, and then you tell or ask that person, OK, bring this particular drink for me. This is what the category here. And it's all configurable. OK, then a request. If you want to see how many incidents or how many requests are open for you, you can go and see here. System status is only available for the admin, not for the anybody else. And card, everybody know when you're doing shopping, you want to add or you want to keep some running items in a place, you can use the card here. And now if I go back, I click on this same fundamental banner image, I can see here. Same thing can be done from here as well. Request and request something. Same option. If I click here, And I can go knowledge base, the same thing I can go for the knowledge as well. So it's showing me the knowledge base that in the application I have a 2 article. Microsoft, I have a 2 articles. This one. In the device, I have only 1 article, 1 category. Apple, in Apple, we have 1 article. Email, I have a 5 under Outlook and like this. In operating system, I have a 12, 5 plus 7 like this. So this is what this particular knowledge base is. The only thing is that Atul, why there are multiple things for a single part or a single option? Because it is a user friendly. It is giving you a good user experience. You can do your work. I know you can do your work from top as well, but giving this is enhancing your user experience. Clear everybody till this point? Any doubt? Any question? Yeah, go ahead, Suraj.
Yeah, Atul. So in the cart, what do you mean by cart? Can we purchase anything from the cart, or it's
no. See, it's not like a purchase. No. Let's say you join a new company, okay, and your manager says, okay, Suraj, go and raise a request for the laptop and 1 mobile phone and 1 data card. So instead of raising the 3 different items, what you do, you select the laptop, or let's say if I can show you here, catalog or browse by category, and let's say hardware, mobile. Let's say my manager says you can order this mobile. I can go and I can order it and add to cart. As of now, it has been broken. Some field incomplete, this information. OK, maybe this thing. OK, yes, no, and add to cart. OK, so now this has been added to the cart. Once I click on the order now, I'm going to be checkout. So when you get any laptop from your company, did you pay anything amount for the laptop?
No.
No. Then who pays? Atul, it's paid by my project.
Yeah.
Right. So in the same thing, it happens here. The option or the point which you are saying, do we need to pay something, that is on the CSM portal, I can still say. It will show the price because at the last, this department is going to be charged this amount to your project.
Correct.
Right. So that is an if you say that if a fresher join, he can just get a desktop. But if you on the experience and you are be joining as a director, IT director or some other position, you can order for a MacBook, 1 extra screen or 2 screens, 1 external webcam, mouse, keypad, and all things you can order it. So it's depend. And this concept is called the entitlement. The best example I can give you here. I remember that when I joined the company in the beginning, there's a difference between the medical insurance as well. So at a fresher level, we are just eligible for the 30,000 or 40,000 as a maternity expenses. But if someone is on the SSC level, they're eligible for the 70,000 as the maternity expenses or the delivery expenses, you can say there. This concept will come in the part of the CSM thing. So as of now, let's say that this is the portal which is going to be used by my internal employees for their ordering part. Now we need to be understand, because when I discuss with you guys, everybody say, Atul, I'm using ServiceNow as a user. Everybody know that I have to be click on this submit button and then request will be raised. But people don't know that how the request will be processed in the background. This is we have to be understand. But before that, let's understand that how this portal has been designed. This portal has been built up. So now let's go here and search for the service portal. And go to the portals here. As I say, as of now, out of the box ServiceNow provide few service portal to me. And we are talking about this portal. Now, maybe you have a question. Atul, your experience folder, you know everything. So by reading it, you can say yes. But the thing is that if you notice, when I'm open this, what I put SP, it is a suffix. So it is like I am passing a variable to call a function. This is what it says here. So it says what is the URL suffix? SP. Let me show you that ECS as well. ESC, sorry. We have a good topic on this part as well. ESC. Employee Service Center. This is what the ESS is. Okay, please just a request, don't do anything with this particular portal because I have to be activate some plugins to show you this topic. This particular portal will be covered very later in our class. Okay, so we are speaking or we are talking about this particular portal here. Let me open this portal. So now if you see that all these things are coming from this particular page. Atul, come on. Again, you are saying anything. You want to see? Let me change this to LNG. And now save. And now let's go here and search for the SP. It did not find. Why? Because I changed the suffix part. So instead of this, if I do like this, the same page will be open for me now. It means if you want, you can put your company name as well. But again, it is a global level change if you make a change anything here. So what the homework I want to give you now? Everybody need to create at least one portal and suffix should be your name. Your first name, your last name, your short name, it's up to you. Now, when I log in and let's say I open it. Okay, the first page it's saying home page will be look like index. Let me click here. So now you can see index. It is coming from this particular place. You want to make a change? Let me change it. And these are the pages. Let me show you. So I guess someone asked me that Atul, for this front end, which coding is required? It required the combination of CSS, HTML, AngularJS as well. So let me open this record. I was testing one. Let me go here. So this page has been defined like this. See. And it is called the index. You want to make a change, you can make a change and you can put your name. That's not an issue. If you know little about CSS, you can put the CSS code as well. If you know. As I know, so I don't know, so I'm not going to put anything here. But if you want to make a change, let me change it. Double asterisk and let me say announcement and save. And now you can see refresh. It's taking from cache. Now you can see it's coming as an announcement. So something has been written, a page has been created with the name announcement and some logic has been built up there. So it is coming from there. So now if you click on this KB, which page is coming? KB view 2. You can go and see KB view 2. For not 4 found. If anything goes wrong, if not page not found, let's select this. It's 404. You can play the game easily. See. So even though this mechanism also has been set up here, that it can done that part. Catalog home page. When you click on this page is coming. It is coming from somewhere here. Maybe it is coming from the default coding as well. This menu is coming from this particular main menu. Let me change it. Let's say HRM header and save and reload it. See, The menu has been lost. Now the point that Atul, can we create anything new? Yes, you can create. If you know you can create. Let me show you this page. See, it is complete code. If you know, you can go and write it. I have no issues. You can create it as per your requirement. Let me go with the SP header menu, which we use generally. This one. And now let me show you this one. Same thing has been mentioned here. If you understand this thing, you can write your own code. You can create your own menu card. That's fine. Nothing to be worried on that part. So it's saying these menu items will be displayed. And now at the last is the theme. This green color you are able to see this. It is coming from this particular theme, Lazola. Let's say this one and see and refresh. So now you can see this thing is coming, right? Which was not earlier the case, I guess. This one. So you can make a change and you can check the themes as well. So tomorrow when you are going to be create a portal, you need to be put something different here. Okay, and under this we can see that if I am searching anything here in this part, or let's say in this part, that search we remove it. In this part, then it go in the two places for the search. Number one, it will go for the knowledge base, and second, it will go for the catalog. Which knowledge base? It go to the IT knowledge base. Which catalog? It go to the service catalog. Under this, it will go and find out the things for us. And then you can make a logo change or icon change. That's totally cosmetics part. Nothing to be worried on that. Yeah, go ahead, Ravish.
So Atul, like there are 2 or 3 portals, right?
Right.
So you showed ESC portal. So the user will use one portal only, right?
It depends on which portal you are giving to the user.
Okay.
Now
So,
the portal like ES portal, this one. ESC portal. This portal is coming on the very brighter side of ServiceNow. And I also heard something that very soon ServiceNow is going to be decommission the service portal, and only one portal will be there for everybody in the organization. So now if I ask you, if you need to be raise a request for your leave, where you go and raise a request? Atul, I have some other portal. If you have some salary discrepancies, you go and raise a case on the other portal, not on the IT portal. Now ServiceNow say why we are making efforts on the two portals. Cannot we club everything and make it one portal? And ESC is a solution for the same. So when I activate HR plugin in my instance, then you can see HR option as well. So if I click on this IT, you can see. Or let's say IT, this one. As of now, only one thing, because there's a no taxonomy is there. Taxonomy is blank. If I add a taxonomy, it will done here as well. We will discuss ECS portal. We will discuss in depth a little bit. OK, but it depends which portal you are be giving to the user. By default, SP is the one which we always open for our users. OK, Ravish, clear?
yeah, sure.
OK, go ahead, Suraj.
Yeah, so Atul, just now we saw under the knowledge bases and catalog. Can you please go to the service portal screen? In this, the search sources, knowledge bases and catalog, these are updated automatically once we update this service portal details, or
it will be done automatically. So anything if you add under this, it will automatically be considered. By default, these
Okay.
two are there. If you want to add, you can click edit. And if you find something, you can edit here as well. Like I want to go for the pages. I want to go for the resources. I want to go for the reports, and you can edit. So like this.
Okay. Means we can add multiple things on the home page of this
When
service
if you want,
portal.
you can create your own as well and edit. No problem.
Okay.
Now the last question which put by Ravi, shall we create a banner also here SP? What do you mean by the banner, Ravi? This one
It
say.
means yes, yes,
Ah, if you want, you
there
can.
is an offer kind of things or downtime is there like that,
No,
scroll
no,
up.
no, 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 no. That is called the announcements.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you see this part, this one you're saying like this,
Yes, yes.
then it is a scripting part. We have to be add some code and then we can display the message like this.
No, suppose in Amazon and all there is an offer, okay, pop-up thing or scroll down in that header, it
Yes.
will that kind of banner.
Just one thing, that service portal is not like a drag and drop option.
Okay.
You can do if you know the coding. CSS, HTML, AngularJS, if you know, you can build, you can write a script and you can create the pop-ups as well.
Okay.
But I doubt that we can create these pop-ups in this part portal or something else is there. If I'm not wrong, it's UI pages, something is there. But you require the scripting for this. No, like simple drag and drop or the lines should be matched and it will done for you automatically. No. Yes, Suraj, go ahead.
No, no, I have completed my question.
Okay, you raise your hand actually. Okay, thanks. So now let's come on the service portal understanding. Okay, that how I can configure. Let me go here and make a change. Put index so that I can show you the changes as well. Okay, KB view, and maybe I can say something this one. Let's say, okay, catalog item. Let's say save it. Now the thing is that Atul, I want to make a change in this portal. Okay, I don't like this background image, green color. No, I want something which I like. So to do this part, we have a concept called the service portal configuration. This one, click on this. So this configuration will be done in the 5 parts, or I can say the 4 parts. Number 1 is called the branding. 2 is the designing. 3rd is the page editing. And 4th is the widgets. Now let me click on the branding here. If I show you something like this, service now service portal example. Like this, you can do it very easily. Not a big task. Like this, you can do very easily. But to do this part, we have to do the configuration level changes. Okay, let me show you something like this. See, big image, these things. So now you can see catalog, these things. Few things they already created or they created by their own only. Like this example. So now we're going to be understand that how I can make a change. See, completely change these icons. So these can be displayed, but it is required a coding here. And it is well said that doing a coding on the portal is very hectic part, because it's always on the HTML, CSS things is there. Okay, so now let's go for the branding part. It says you want to make a change. I said yes. Which page? I said service portal. Because you have to give the name here, right? This one. Okay. And the benefit is that it will show you the preview immediately. So what do you want? I want to change the portal title first. Okay, go and change it. and grow. I want to change this image. Done. So now you see quickly it's changing it. Quickly it will be changing for us. Okay, now logo padding, something on the colors wise you want to do, you can do left, right padding, you can do up to you. So it's becoming like this. So you can see the changes immediately on the part here. Now I want to replace this word. How can we help you? Learn and grow to. You want to change the line? I intentionally put, sorry, I forget, not this line. I am talking about this line. This line also can change what it is coming from the scripting part. Let me change the color. Okay, done. Because it's a branding, it's a cosmetic changes you can do. A lot of things. Background image. No, badhiya nahi hai. Let's put something new. So image is so big, it's not taking a complete part, or maybe it's taking little time to be come into the reflection as well. Now, one portion, theme color. Atul, the top color is not good. Okay, what do you want? Yellow, yellow is good. See, divider like blue. Maybe the minute changes, but changes can be done. And you can see brand, these boxes. And you can make easily changes, easily. Text color. I intentionally put so bad color so that we can see that what changes is coming. And now it has been done. Now you go here and just reload your page. See, changes done. There's no need to be save anything here. It's done. Automatically saving it. So now you can see a big changes are there. It has been changed. To do this part, there's an option called right click, or maybe it says shift and control plus right click and click on this part. And I guess here you will get an option to be changed. I'm not getting, there's a one option where you can mark this as a change, or maybe in the editor or somewhere you can find out, or maybe it's coming from the page as well. So now we can see that the designing part has been changed, and now you can see title change, logo change. If I refresh this page, I can see. Few new things has been added. Earlier it was not there, but now I added branding, color, brand image, everything. I added it here. So this is the first part of this branding change. Clear? Yeah, go ahead, Jabrish.
Atul, the site it is getting auto saved, right?
Yes.
So can we set as when we click save, it should save?
Nah.
Can we do that?
Because the reason is that you are doing the changes in the dev instance, not in the production directly.
Okay, so
Remember,
if we do that
yes.
in production, is it possible?
No, but why you do the change in the production? We will move the changes from dev to test and then to production. And when we move, when we say everything is working fine in the low environments, right?
Yeah.
So your point is valid, but answer is nothing here, because I'm doing everything on the dev instance. So if you click on the save, then you reboot, and then you click on this reload, then you say, it's taking so much time. The functionality should be, if I click here, I can see the changes. This is the one part. If you go to the UI builder or the catalog builder, you can see the changes quickly, immediately, like this we're able to see here.
Okay.
Because we are not making any changes directly in the production system, remember. We are making a change in the dev instance first. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Suraj, go ahead.
Yeah, Atul. So when we open under portal the service portal, and if by mistake we delete this service portal, the kind of SP, then how to again add that service portal into the service now?
You mean you deleted this one?
This one, yes. This entire thing, the delete option.
Okay. See, if you delete now, then restoring is possible, but is a hectic work.
Yeah.
So generally what we say, let's not put anything or let's not delete anything. Keep
Actually, I
it
have done that in
no,
my.
no.
I was practicing. Yeah.
In PD or somewhere else.
In somewhere else, my personal PD.
See,
No,
personal thing, that is the reason I told in the beginning that if I am giving you the admin rights, you can delete it. But be careful because in PDI, I don't think that we can restore the things very easily or we can do the things very easily. It will be somewhere in the logs you have to be go and you can find out. So avoid it. In now the question comes, I don't want to be use this portal. I don't want that anybody should log in here. So what you can do, let's go here. Go to the list view. And let's see any flag is called active. Not there, or maybe then I have to be remove this suffix link. That can be done. Let me see if I have any option here. Remove, delete, move to application. No, I have no other option here. So I can just remove the suffix link or put some kind of a color code or some kind of a message that it is not in a use now. That is the thing. Generally avoid it. If possible, don't delete anything. Neither in the PDI as well. I never delete in the PDI because the problem is that I don't know or we don't know that if I delete this portal, it has linking with some other portals as well or some other components as well. Then other components may also be behaving bad in that case and create a problem for us. So better avoid it.
And this deletion will be for my personal or it will be the global?
It is a global.
Okay.
You having admin rights. You having admin rights. It's a global. So anything you're doing in this portal, it's a global one. So now if anybody log in into the instance with this particular link at the last, everybody is able to see the same page. Irrespective, you are logging as a Muhammad or Shabrish or you're logging as Suraj or Deepak or Ashish, nothing matter here. It's a global changes. It's not personalized one. You cannot personalize the portals. Can you personalize the Amazon website for you? Come on, Atul, how I can do it? I can add the items in the cart, only that much. I can make some favorites, but I cannot delete the, let's say I'm not interested in any of the women stuff on the Amazon. Can I delete it? Can I hide that category? No.
No.
It can be down as per my search criteria, but it will be always there on my page. Right? So this is the first part that we have done, the branding part. Now let's come to the second option. Second option says same thing. You can go click in the designer here, or you can go here and search for the portal configuration. Anything you can do, anything. Click on the designer. This arrow says it will open in the new page. Here also, if you notice, let's say this one, it means it will open in the other tab. Let me show you the UI. See, UI builder, it will open in the other tab. This is what the arrow means here. So we are the designing. Designing says, Atul, I don't like these things here. Can I remove it? Yes. Here you can do your work. But again, remember, it is a global change. And I'm saying you need to create your own portal and on the portal do anything. Nobody care. I can access if I know the suffix. I can delete, I can update, anything I can do, but it's a global level changes. So now in the designing part, if I come here, so these things which you're able to see, is the pages here, like request something is a page, and which is the page ID SC_category. So now click here and search for the page. See, these are the pages SC_category. I can go here. Like this one. Now someone is so smart. Atul, come on, you are making us fool. Till the last week you're saying that all these things are the tables, and now you're showing in some other view. So you can go and search here the pages. Let's see, do you have something for the pages? Maybe no, or maybe if you want to find out what you can do, click on this and that you can get the table name. It is coming from this particular table, sp_page. Let me show you. So now you can see all the pages. See, we have the ID SC_category. The only thing is that if you open this page, you're not able to understand anything. Atul, come on, it's what's complicated. Can you show me something easy part? That is why we are here. So I open this thing, my category page. So I am on the portal called LMG. Under that, I have a page called the catalog categories. This is what the page contains. Let's do one thing. Let me create my own page. OK, let's go back so that we can define our stuff, right? Select a portal and let me create a new page. Any option for the new page? Let me come here and click on the designer. OK, and add a new page so that I can show you that what we are doing. Let's say LNG training. Page ID should be LN_G and submit. Now this is my page. Let's say I told you that guys, I'm giving you the A4 sheet. Everybody need to create a drawing. So we will do it. So the person who is expert in drawing and painting, what he will do? He will put the grids first. 1, 2, 3, column 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then he start the painting. So now it is a blank page for me. You want to show some data, that is, you are creating a page. So let's say I having a container first. OK, put the container here. In container, what you want to do? I want to add boxes like this. Add here 3, 6, 3. Now in this container, let me show you if I can view page in the new tab. Let's say if I can show you. Yes. So now it is a blank page because we did not add what to display here. By normalcy, baat hai. I invited everybody at my place for a dinner. I said, OK, guys, I have a very big dining table. Please go and sit. Everybody take their chair and they sit. And table is empty. Atul, bring something. I said, OK. I put the empty plates. You are again waiting. Atul, put something so that we can eat it. Now, what you want to show? Let's do it here. I want on this container, I want to show the announcement page. See here. On this middle page, I want to show the clock. Like this. On this page, I want to show the approval. OK. Now, this is again one more container for us, right? Atul, I want to show. Let me first put remove this and let's put container first. I want to show like this. 2 to 2 length. I want to show AI. I want to show this thing. I want to show approval. I want to show benchmark. I want to show what was there? Let me go there. What page was this? Home page. This one, open incident, right? Let's come and see. I think the open incident. Well, let's say popular topic. Here. Done. Now, if I go and reload this page, you can see. Yes. So you're sitting on the dining table, plates are there, and I serve the food now. And the food you can see on the table in your plates. But the problem is that till now we did not edit this page in our portal. That when I click on button any option, then this page should be loaded. So I have to go and I have to be add here that on which button. Let's say I want to be add on the this one, catalog home, ln_g. Means you have to do the mapping as well. Now if I come here and I go on the catalog, and maybe I can say catalog or request. What happened? Maybe it's taking some. Yeah, now you can see. When I click on the catalog, my page is coming. This is what the designer do. Atul, can I create my own widget as well? These are the nothing. These are the widgets. If you know the coding, you can do it. If you see here, the next part, let me show you here. In configuration, see widgets, same thing. You want to create your own widget? No doubt. Click on the new widget. Widget name is ln_lng and this submit. I am just creating the widget. Now, if you know the coding, you can do it. I have no issues. If you want to add this widget on your page, let's say HTML code simple. Let's say this one. Let's try. This one. If it will work or not, I have no idea. Literally, I have no idea. Okay. Head like this. Let's save it. I'm not a developer, so I don't bother about this thing. But your widget has been created. Now go back in the same area in the designer, and now you can search for the widget lng. Let me reload this page. I got it. Now, if you want, you can show it here. See, oh wow, it's working. Good. Now, if you go and again, you can do it because in the widget, see, it's working. In the widget, the coding is required, guys. These everything is code. I want to let me show you. Let me come here. Widgets, this one, right? Let me open the widget. Cool clocks. See, the complete code has been written here. If you know that how to add a function, you can add it. No issues. If you know the code, you can add it here, but it is completely scripting. No drag drop will work here. And this is a place where I generally fail. If the jokes from Jakir Khan, yahan mein pighal gaya, that is the one thing I can say here. I have no idea about these things. But it doesn't mean that you cannot create your own widgets. You can create your own widgets. That's fine. Let me show you some examples. Example in ServiceNow. Maybe this one. This is already built up. Now you can see it is the widgets. People show the reports like this. Even though these are the dashboard, you can directly bring it, but still if you want to create, you can create it like this. So things are there, like this. If you know the coding, you can use the background data and you can do it your part very easily here. And in this part, the last section is here, which we say is the, let me come here and open it again, is the page editor. It is the next part of this particular thing. Normal pages which we just discussed. So you can see here all these pages. Underscore G. So if you want to understand that how this page has been built up, this page, the best is to go in the pages part here. Here. It will give you that how this page has been designed. Let me show you the index page. See. Index page contain total 4 containers. Under that, single row. Under that, like columns. Under that, this is the widgets or the pages name. And if you want to edit something, just double click. It will take you on the designer. What happened? Maybe I can open the design. So like this, you can do it. This is what the basics of our service portal. Clear, everybody? Ujjwal, Ujjwal, Sushmita, Akshad, Ashish, Priyanka, Shabrish, Ravish, and Suraj. Any doubt, any question in this? Deepak, Muhammad, Pulkit, Ravi, Venkat, Garima, and Neha. Good.
I'm good.
Sir, one tour option is also given. So what does this mean?
Which one?
Sir, tour option.
Okay, let me this one. Okay, this one. Oh, okay. Let's say you purchase a new laptop. Okay. You bring the laptop to your house and first time you just switch on. You get a message, welcome Microsoft 11 or 12 or 13 or 14 Windows. Let's take a tour where you get the familiar that what it has contained. Here the camera, here the buttons, here the recording, here the audio, here the video, here the volume. So this is called a tour here. If you want, you can create your own tours as well. Let's say I want whenever any employee join my company and open this portal first time, first he should go to the tour. He should know that what portal we have, what this mean here. And then you can create it. Let's see where it has been standing in the page now, right? SP config, or let's say index page. If you stuck somewhere, that is the best part is that comes the page editor and index. It's not index, it's SP menu header, right? So I have to go to menu headers. Wait. I'm opening this thing table. Wait, go to LNG and go to header menu, SP header menu, and open the table name from here directly. Come down here and you can see the tour. Oh, it's not showing the tour here. That's nice. Knowledge approval. Then the possibility can be it is coming from some script here. This one. It's coming from some script as well. So to find out is anything has been written for the tools on this particular page. It's not coming. So it's not coming from the menu. That's very true. Otherwise, it should show here only. It should show, definitely it should show here in the menu header. 6 menus. Under this part it show. It means it's coming from either from some other script or some inbuilt code only. But it's a good option. Let's take a homework for everybody, not you, for me as well. Let's find out from where this tool option is coming, and if I want to remove, can I remove it or not? Because it say this page has no tool, or let me go and check it here. It is guided tools. So we have a feature, but the question is that from where it is becoming. That is the main point. Is it coming from the banner image? Sorry, header menu? No, because we did not find these two options. Even we did not find the system status as well, right? Okay, we have even cart is also not there. Maybe some portal level settings are there from where this particular thing is coming. But if you want to create a tool, you can go and create a tool here. To type service portal so that it should show in the service portal. I put everything on the LNG only. Okay, and then you can do by yourself. That's fine. But let me take action on me to find out that from where this tool is coming and how we can remove it. Okay. Clear? Anything as usual?
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Anybody else has any other question on this part? I know it's a very small topic, but it's very interesting topic to do at your side. Okay, let's a class test. Switch on your videos, guys. And I'm putting the question and everybody need to be answered on the chat window. Nobody will speak. Everybody need to be give answer on the chat window. Please open your videos quickly. Quick. It's a class test. Let me open the WhatsApp for the previous questions. Okay. That is why I said I can take test anytime. Okay. What is the table name of sys user? Nobody will speak. Everybody need to be right here. Switch on the videos. Quick, guys. What is the table name of the sys user? Venkat, there is a no table which having the hyphen. Every table contain only underscore. It's a sys user or sys users. See, I said users, then Sushmita said it's a users. Ujjwal, Priyanka, Ashish, open your videos. I want to see that you guys are not doing cheating anything here. Okay, what is the table name of the location? What is the table name of location? Don't search it. नहीं रवि गलत है नेहा गलत है cmn underscore location or locations. It's not element, it's cmn. Ravish, it's a cmn, not this thing. Okay. How many practices we have in ITL 4? We have 4 practices only. Come on, guys. Neha, only this thing happen when we go for the examination. We always say, oh my God, what was the answer? Okay. If I just have only and only no rule. If let me reconvert or rephrase my question. I don't have any role available in service now. What modules I can see? I have no role available in service now. What I can see?
Nothing.
Come on, who says nothing?
Only portal can.
Only service portal. Are you sure? No, it's a wrong answer.
I think service portal, workspaces, and history.
There's nothing called I think here. You have to be confirmed. It's a test. Service now portal and it's use service, self-service and SP. Now do one thing, go to application navigator and search for the self-service. This is the module which is available to every user irrespective of their role. Has been given to them. Okay. Okay, let me open the question here. What is the difference between insert and the insert stay? One liner I need, just don't write so much paragraphs. Let me see what is the question. Quick. Come on, someone press enter now. Insert will create a new record and take to the list view. Okay. Where is Avi? He's absent from the last 3-4 days. Insert to create a new record on the form. Okay. What is the technique or method or a formula or mechanism which help in the global search? Don't try to do Google now. Come on, scope. Who says Ujjwal? Come on, it's not scope. Scope is for the variables and not variables, for the fields and the application. Ravish, it's not a Zing search. It's Zing only. Zing is the technique or the mechanism or the method, not a word like search. It's a Zing only. Okay. If I am creating a field, okay, where the type of the variable is true and false, will it contain the Boolean value or not? No. Think on this part and get some answer. I think it will create Boolean value, yes or no. Okay. What is the difference between the journal input and there's another variable type called the journal only? Ashish, you are just noticing down the questions only, I guess. You're not answering anything. Pulkit, don't left. Welcome back. Go ahead. Deepak is gone now. But that is why I asked to open the videos. Okay, last question. What is the difference? Okay, not this one. If I create a table and I'm not extending that table from any other table, what are the 6 fields get created automatically or 7 fields? Write it quickly. Hey, come on, it's card is operation. Come on. It is for the ACL. I'm saying what fields get created. These are the mistakes which we do in the certification exam. We think that we know. Created by, updated by. Okay. What? These are the 4s only. Who's Suraj, task is a table you use for the extension. No, wrong answer. Sys_class. No, Venkat, wrong answer. Created by, created sysid, update. Sir, update se updated, Ashish. I'm telling you my example.
Updates, comma, update by. So these are two separate fields.
So total 3 updates, updated by and updated.
Yeah, 3 and 3 above, created by, created, and sysid, so 6.
Sure.
Yep.
Neha, are you sure on these 6 fields? Create a table quickly. Go and create a table without extension. Sys class name. No, Ravi. Sorry, Ravi, I'm saying Venkat. No. Compose field, record, hold with rows and columns. No, Shabrish, I'm saying that what fields get created automatically when you create a table without any extension. Neha, let's prove it. Ashish is right or wrong. It's updates or updated. I'm doubtful. Chalo, last question. Sachi, it's the last question only. What is the length of the sysid? What is the length of the sysid?
32.
Don't speak. Have to be right. 32. Good. Good. So it indicates that we are listening, but not properly. Sys user, sys hyphen nahi hota, sys underscore users, is sys users. Okay. The reason is that why I'm discussing these points. When we go for the examination, specifically CSE examination, the difference only with these words only. Ashish answer was right. It's updates. But I want to show that everybody is be comfortable on that part or not. So I say it's update or updated or updated by. OK, so let me stop the recording now. We'll take some more tests in this week. So get ready. OK, let me stop my video and take a quick attendance as well now. Before that, anybody has any question, any clarification required? OK, good. Let me stop the recording then.